The 2011 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front air conditioning, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, child safety locks, power windows, trip odometer, tachometer, reading lights. Come take a test drive today.